guys, welcome to Crochet Wonderland, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to color change. Color change is very important, so let's jump right in. Okay, so here I have this single crochet piece, and now I want to change my color. Well, here's the thing. I'm going to use the white yarn again, and I don't want all that frizzy stuff of the tails on the back. Well, if that's your situation here, then what you have to do is basically insert your hook over here in the front loop like that. So the front loop of the stitch and that loop over there, and then with the white yarn like that, pull, then you're gonna have this. Or in a simpler way, make your single crochet, but on your last single crochet until you're gonna change it, keep it here. Don't yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through with your yarn of the other color. And then in the next stitch, you can easily change your color without it looking horrible. So always put the yarn in before the stitch. And if you're not going to use that white yarn anymore, then you can just boom, cut it off. But if you are, keep it on, and the next time you need it, you can use it again, like this. So I make my other single crochet, and I put it here and here, and I stop it. And then from the back, because the back side's the one that you're not going to show, insert it and just make your single crochets. And let me show you the ending result once I'm done. It looks like that, easily color changed. Now, if it's double crochet, it's the same thing. You just find the last two bars and then you just color change. Let me show you. And you can just insert it between those two, or on your last yarn over before that, you just insert your yarn through, and that's how you color change. And you can do that with any stitch. Now, if you're about to slip stitch and add a new row, let me show you how that works. Okay guys, I'm on my last stitch of a row, and now I want to slip stitch, and I want to change colors. Now, how would you do that? You can't do the thing in the slip stitch. Here's a method that will make your row even better, and the slip stitch will be color changed. So it doesn't look weird, it'll look better. Do the same thing with your stitch before the last yarn over, and then insert your yarn and pull through. And then when you slip stitch, the slip stitch is colored, and then it's perfect. It's an amazing color change. Okay, now I'm at a scenario where even the back is going to be shown because I'm crocheting a square. Let me show you what to do in that. You are going to have to cut the yarn, chain one, and cut. Depending on how big it is, you can make it. This is how big I'm going to make it because this is how big the row is. And why did that matter? Let me tell you. Now, in the first stitch that you're going to make, you are going to insert your hook and insert your yarn. Then chain how much you want, and then crochet with the yarn tail. So even the back will look nice, no yarn tail sticking out, and it's all perfect. See, look, I'm making a half double crochet. I'm inserting, and when I'm yarning over, I'm going to put the yarn over my hook. So when I yarn over, and then I yarn over through all loops, the crochet yarn tail will be tucked between these stitches, and nobody will know. So again, yarn over, insert, put it over your hook, and then yarn over, pull through with that tail, and then it's literally perfect. The number one hack I always do, and that comes in use especially when I crocheted my amazing star bag. It helped so much. Let me show you guys. Okay, I brought my star bag and it looks so good because like there is literally the tail in between these stitches over here, in every row, and when someone looks inside, it'll even look clean inside that, and that trick helps so much, and it's perfect, so it looks amazing on both sides. And thank you for watching my tutorial on how to color change perfectly. Bye!